Saleen Automotive, renowned for its high-performance vehicles, has unveiled its 2025 lineup, showcasing a blend of innovation, power, and design that redefines the sports car landscape. Central to this lineup are the Saleen 302 series and the iconic Saleen S7, each offering unique attributes tailored to diverse automotive enthusiasts. Saleen 302 series, a trilogy of power. The 2025 Saleen 302 series is segmented into three distinct models: White Label, Yellow Label, and Black Label, each escalating in performance and features. White Label, serving as the entry point, the White Label boasts a naturally aspirated 5.0 liters V8 engine delivering 490 horsepower. Equipped with the Gen 5 Racecraft A-registered suspension and Saleen brakes, this model emphasizes balanced performance and handling. The exterior showcases Saleen's signature aerodynamics, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Yellow Label, elevating the experience, the Yellow Label integrates a supercharger to the 5.0 liters V8, boosting output to 745 horsepower. This enhancement propels the vehicle into supercar territory, offering exhilarating acceleration and top speeds. Additional performance upgrades ensure that the Yellow Label is track-ready while maintaining street legality. Black Label, at the pinnacle stands the Black Label, featuring an 800 horsepower supercharged 5.0 liters V8 engine. This model incorporates comprehensive enhancements, including advanced aerodynamics, bespoke interior options, and state-of-the-art technology integrations, providing an unparalleled driving experience. Saleen S7, the hypercar reimagined. The legendary Saleen S7 makes a triumphant return in 2025, embodying the zenith of automotive engineering. This hypercar is equipped with a 1,500 horsepower engine, enabling a top speed exceeding 280 miles per hour and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.2 seconds. Such performance metrics position the S7 among the elite hypercars globally, offering an experience that is both thrilling and exclusive. Design and aerodynamics. Saleen's 2025 models exhibit a harmonious blend of form and function. The 302 series features aggressive front fasces with integrated air splitters, high-flow brake cooling vanes, and sculpted side skirts, all contributing to improved aerodynamic efficiency and stability at high speeds. The S7's design focuses on reducing drag while maximizing downforce, ensuring optimal performance on both road and track. Interior and technology. Inside, Saleen vehicles offer a driver-centric environment. High-quality materials, customizable options, and advanced infotainment systems ensure comfort and connectivity. The Black Label models, in particular, provide bespoke interior choices, allowing owners to tailor the cabin to their preferences, reflecting Saleen's commitment to luxury and individuality. Performance and handling. Beyond raw power, Saleen's 2025 lineup emphasizes precision handling. The integration of the Gen 5 Racecraft A-registered suspension system across the 302 series ensures responsive steering and road-hugging capabilities. Enhanced braking systems provide the necessary stopping power to match the vehicle's performance, instilling confidence in various driving conditions. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Saleen 302 series is competitively priced to cater to a broad spectrum of enthusiasts. White Label, starting at $61,900. Yellow Label, starting at $81,900. Black Label, starting at $89,700, with the supercharged variant at $108,900. The Saleen S7, given its hypercar status and limited production, commands a premium price point, reflecting its exclusivity and performance capabilities. Conclusion. Saleen's 2025 offerings reaffirm the brand's dedication to pushing automotive boundaries. Whether through the versatile 302 series or the extraordinary S7, Saleen continues to deliver vehicles that captivate both the heart and mind, setting new benchmarks in the world of high-performance cars. For a visual overview and in-depth analysis of the 2025 Saleen 302, you might find the following video insightful.